Hi friends, welcome back. When we know some ideas take us just a couple of minutes and are zero cost, we are more likely to repeat them. I'm so excited to share these ideas with you. Are you ready? Let's get started. We all love collecting those cute jars, jam bottles, baby food jars, sauce containers because we feel it'll be useful someday. But sometimes, even after washing, a little moisture or smell can remain in some lids, and if you close the lid, it gets trapped inside. So in order to avoid that, you start storing the jars and lids separately. But then comes the next problem. When you actually need a jar, you can't find the lid. Let's see how we can solve this problem. Use a rubber band to attach the lid to the jar. Just place the lid on the side of the jar and secure it with a rubber band. Like this, there's no smell build-up, the lid always stays with the jar, and you don't have to search and try multiple lids when you need one. And if you want to take this organization to the next level, you can either use a sturdy paper bag basket or any cardboard box which you have in the house and organize the bottles by size so that you can access them easily whenever you need one. Another smart rule, which is keep only 5 to 10 good quality jars and let go of the extras immediately. That way you'll stay organized and avoid the clutter from building up. Let's move on to our next tip. If you store your trash bags at the very bottom under the sink, you know that when you're already tired after a long day, you have to bend, search and pull things out just to grab one bag. So here's a simple but super practical solution. An empty tissue box works so well in order to make you dispense one bag at a time. So all you have to do is, using a double-sided tape, you can attach the tape on both the sides of the tissue box on the back side. You can stick it on the cabinet door of the kitchen or on a wall which is close to the bin. Before you stick the box on the cabinet door on the wall, just position it in order to see that the door can be opened and closed easily. This is such a budget-friendly solution and it solves our problem. So no more digging under the sink when you're tired. It saves you time as well as effort on a daily basis. So with this trick, we not only solve the problem of where to store the bags, but we can also access them so easily. Let's move on to the next organizing tip. Most of us store dals and pulses in airtight containers. But there is a shelf in my fridge where I have certain packets, and since the space is very narrow, I haven't been able to find the containers that fit in. So here I found a quick solution. You know those glass juice bottles we always end up saving? I finally found the best way to reuse them. So after you remove the labels, wash, clean and dry the bottle, you can just use a simple funnel and pour everything in. It's clean, it's quick and there is absolutely no mess. I have stored things like lentils, small grains, and it keeps everything fresh and organized. So next time you finish a juice bottle, big or small, don't throw it away. This little hack is simple, practical, and honestly so satisfying. And as you must have seen in my previous videos, I usually cut out the written part from the packaging and use a transparent tape to label the bottles with the contents. Since the bottles are slender, they fit perfectly in the shelf. Let's look at our next tip. You know those busy mornings when you're in a rush and just need a Ziploc bag quickly, and somehow the box is always hidden under something in the cabinet. So here is a simple fix for this, and it has made my mornings so much more easier. All you need to do is take your Ziploc bag box, open the slit, and then gently make a small hole on one side using a screwdriver or something which makes a hole in it. Then just hang it on a hook inside your kitchen cabinet door. And that's it. Now the bags are always right there when you open the cabinet. It is so easy to grab, no searching and no mess. It is such a small change, but it really saves time when you need it the most. So now your Ziploc bags are easy to grab, are always visible and not taking up any shelf space. Now let's move on to the last tip of this video. You know those long egg trays in the fridge? The ones that take up almost the entire shelf? It feels as if there's never enough space for anything else. As you can see, although I have placed certain food items on top of the tray, because of its uneven surface, they are not organized and it can make it look very messy. So instead of using that long tray, take it out and use a deep plastic box that fits nicely on the shelf. Now just place all the eggs inside the box together. Since the box is more compact and stack friendly, you suddenly have extra space around it to store other food items. It looks neater, easier to access, and your fridge feels so much more organized. You can also use tiny plastic boxes to organize small stuff like ketchup sachets, half-cut vegetables, and they are all properly organized and you can easily access them. So that's all for today, my dear friends. If you found any of these ideas helpful, please let me know in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and I hope to see you real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.